how to launch your Google AI app on the Play Store, and what the journey teaches you. Welcome. If you've built an AI-powered app using Google's tools and you're ready to publish it on the Google Play Store, this video will guide you through the entire process. We'll cover how to prepare your app, test it, submit it for review, and how to deploy progressive web apps using pwabuilder.com. We'll also explore tools like Replit, Vercel, Netlify, and GitHub to help you manage and deploy your code efficiently. And along the way, we'll ask some powerful questions about your journey. Part 1. Releasing your app. Finalize your app. Before uploading, clean up your code and build with Android App Bundle. Google requires this format for new apps. Make sure your app follows all Play Store policies, especially if it uses AI features or collects data. Required testing. Google requires testing before public release. Use one of 3 tracks. Internal, up to 100 testers. Closed, invite only. Open, anyone can join. You must collect real feedback before going live. Create a test release, upload your app bundle, and encourage testers to submit feedback. Google uses this to assess your app's quality and safety. Create your store listing. While testing, build your Play Store listing. Add your app name, description, screenshots, and privacy policy. Be clear about how your AI features work and what data you collect. A strong listing builds trust and improves your chances of approval. Monitor and improve. Use the Play console to track crashes, bugs, and user feedback. Make improvements based on real-world testing. Google expects your app to be refined before release. Submit for review. Once testing is complete, switch to the production track. Upload your final app bundle and submit for review. If approved, your app will be published on the Play Store. Part 2. PWAs and deployment tools. Use pwabuilder.com. If you've built a progressive web app, pwabuilder.com can help you publish it. Enter your PWA URL. PWA Builder analyzes your app and uses Bubble Wrap to generate an Android app bundle. Set up digital asset links and signing keys. Upload to the Play console and follow the same testing and release steps. PWA Builder makes it easy to turn a web-based AI app into a Play Store-ready experience. Deploy with Replit, Vercel, Netlify. Need to host your app? Replit. Great for prototyping and sharing AI apps. Vercel. Ideal for React and Next.js apps. Netlify. Perfect for static PWAs with GitHub integration. These platforms make deployment fast and reliable. They also provide secure URLs for PWA Builder and Play Store submission. Use GitHub for version control. GitHub helps manage your code, track changes, and collaborate. Connect it to Replit, Vercel, or Netlify for automatic deployment. Keep your repo clean, documented, and up to date. If you're working with AI models, GitHub helps you manage versions and dependencies. Reflecting on the journey. What inspired you to start? Every journey begins with a spark. What inspired you to start building your AI app? Was it curiosity, a challenge, or a vision for the future? Think back to that moment. What pushed you to take the first step? Where do you want this to take you? Now that you've come this far, where do you want this journey to lead? Are you building a business, launching a career, or creating something that changes lives? What's your vision for the future of your app and for yourself? Has this journey changed you? Has this journey changed you, and if so, how? Did it boost your confidence, sharpen your skills, or shift how you think about technology and creativity? Share your story. Growth is part of the process. Has it improved lives? Has this journey improved your life or helped you improve the lives of others? Maybe your app solved a real problem, empowered users, or gave you new purpose. If so, how? Your impact might be bigger than you think. What inspires you? What inspires you to build, learn, and keep going? Is it a personal mission, a role model, or a challenge you want to solve? Your inspiration is the heartbeat of your journey. What legacy are you building? Every line of code, every test, every late night, it all adds up to something bigger. What kind of legacy are you building with your app? Is it innovation, empowerment, creativity, or connection? What do you hope others gain? What do you hope your app gives to the world? Is it clarity, connection, creativity, or confidence? Your work has the power to help, heal, or inspire. So what impact do you hope it leaves behind? Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you, consider subscribing for more tutorials on app development, AI integration, and creative tech journeys. And now, we'd love to hear from you. What's been the most challenging part of your journey? What do you love most about it? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Your story might inspire someone else to start theirs. If you want to see the apps I've built, Check out the link in the description below. And if you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. It helps the channel grow and lets me keep making more content like this to support your journey.